Trying to get up this skateboard ramp. Okay. Sam, get down and get ready. Let's go.
No guys, I need to do some energetic stuff.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Take two.
Take two.
Right. Get up to the line. 3.
Got away.
Oh no! Daisy! She's knocking over! Again! Sorry about that. Daisy's such an idiot. Didn't I get over? No! No, my face, my face! Daisy! Oh my god!
She just saw the shoe slobber on the camera. Ew! That's disgusting. Oh, look at my camera floss. Oh my god. Sam, look at my camera. It's like got a massive dribble on it. Oh, no. Ugh, there we go, it's off now. Daisy has still got the shoe. You just ruined the film, Daisy. Get the shoe! Get it! Yes! We got it. Right, let's try again. Okay, that's the end of it now. I am not risking my phone anymore. That was not funny. It nearly smashed on the floor. Oh my god. Bye!